Hacks number 1. Lampshades get dusty so fast. I just use a lint roller. It takes like 10 seconds. Number 2. Boots falling over. If your boots won't stay up, use a pool noodle. Cut it and put it inside. Super cheap and it works. Clothes with fast balls. Use a fabric shaver. It makes them look almost new again. Hacks 4. Broken plant stem. Use craft sticks like a splint. Rub it gently with stream and secure it with tape. Hack 5. Removing stickers. Soak it with vinegar for about 10 minutes. It makes it easier to remove. Hack 6. DIY planter stand. Glue a candle holder and a plate together. I got those at Dollar Tree. Let it set about 10 minutes for light use, 24 hours for full strength. Hack 7. Wrap packing tape sticky side out. It picks up fine dust really well. Hack 8. Make your trash can smell better. Clean it first, then sprinkle baking soda at the bottom and stick a cotton pad with a few drops of essential oil under the lid. The baking soda absorbs and neutralizes odor, and essential oil add a light, fresh scent. 9. Keep spinach and berries fresh longer. Put a paper towel in the container. It absorbs the moisture and it helps them last longer. And for the berries, like strawberries, don't wash them until you're ready to eat. 10. Keep carrots crunchy. Soak carrots in water and store them in the fridge. They stay fresh and crisp a lot longer. 11. Slow down fruit ripening. Wrap the stem, like on bananas, with plastic wrap. It helps slow down how fast they ripen. Simple things, but they actually make life easier.